On March 11th, the Mongolian cyclone continued to exert its influence over Inner Mongolia and northeastern China, bringing extreme winter weather conditions. The city of Manzhouli in the Hulunbuir region bore the brunt of the storm, experiencing an intense blizzard with wind gusts reaching levels 9 to 11. The fierce winds, combined with heavy snowfall, resulted in near-zero visibility, paralyzing the city's transportation network. Roads were quickly buried under thick layers of snow, and many vehicles became trapped, unable to move forward. Local authorities and emergency response teams were dispatched to assist stranded motorists, but the relentless storm made rescue efforts challenging.
这就是满洲里的3月份，哎呦我，这天不出来整顿火锅，白瞎这天了。
太刺激了，幸好这后备箱有一个上。
Throughout the day, heavy snowfall continued unabated, accumulating rapidly and forming deep snowdrifts that further hindered movement. The storm created hazardous conditions not only for drivers but also for pedestrians, as icy roads and powerful gusts of wind made it nearly impossible to walk safely.
3辆车，市医院刮下来的，正好在市医院门口。
Schools and businesses were forced to close, and public transportation services were either severely delayed or completely suspended. Residents were advised to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel, as exposure to the harsh conditions posed serious risks, such as frostbite and hypothermia.
分批走吧。有人吗？有人吗？
As a result of the heavy snowfall, power outages were reported in several areas of Manzhouli, with strong winds damaging power lines and causing disruptions to electricity and heating supplies. Many households faced difficulties coping with the cold as temperatures plummeted further under the influence of the blizzard. Local officials worked to restore essential services, but the severity of the storm made repairs difficult.
(2025年3月12日，坐标内蒙古呼伦贝尔。今日暴雪啊，现在目前下了得有40公分，出行请小心，注意安全。
这车的雾似的。
The China Meteorological Administration issued a yellow snowstorm warning, predicting that snowfall in some areas could exceed 15 centimeters. However, local reports indicated that in parts of Manzhouli and surrounding areas, snow accumulation had already surpassed this figure, with some locations seeing more than 20 centimeters of snow.
Huh.
Authorities warned that the combination of heavy snowfall, strong winds, and rapidly dropping temperatures would make travel extremely dangerous.
关注让我再涨涨粉儿，我最近狂掉粉儿，不涨粉儿了。谢谢，这是谁呀？送的这个粉丝灯牌，正在缓冲。
The impact of the storm was not limited to Manzhouli. The blizzard continued moving eastward, bringing heavy to extreme snowfall to a broader region.
传说中的白毛风吧。
The Mongolian cyclone is expected to intensify over the greater and lesser Shingan Mountains and the Songnan Plain, with some areas experiencing severe blizzards. Additionally, the northern part of the Sichuan-Tibet Plateau is forecasted to receive significant snowfall. The combined effect of snow accumulation and strong winds will create life-threatening conditions, particularly in the central and northern parts of Heilongjiang. Authorities are urging residents in affected regions to prepare for prolonged severe weather conditions and potential disruptions to daily life.
丛林雪红白头啊！
Meanwhile, in Xinjiang, heavy snowfall has persisted since the beginning of March, particularly in areas north of the Tian Shan Mountains, such as Taching and Altai. These regions have seen accumulations of extreme snowfall, with Altai recording a snow depth of 41 centimeters and Taching reaching 31 centimeters. The massive accumulation of snow has increased the risk of avalanches, while the gradual rise in temperature is expected to trigger snowmelt-induced flooding in the coming days.
门堵了，来，这能进去了吧？进去了，进去抓点门啊，哥们。